All right, little one, you ready? We got a fishing line right here. We're all soaked to the bone too.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Discontent, I'm finally facing it all. Fearless.
Oh, where the money drains. Black herring, they're out. 2 packs. Got the hardwood herring. So what we're gonna do today, use this fishing from the bottom for sturgeons.
Hi.
Hi, baby. Good morning.
She had to come in.
Yeah, you had to come in, huh?
And you're right, we backed up the car. She knew where we were.
Yeah, so she wanted to come in. And you got a beat, huh?
Oh yeah.
I
That is
got B. What?
That's a normal, huh? That's a normal thing you gotta do. Hey, you're not getting ready? We're ready to go fishing. Yeah? I think you're ready. You see your little smile right there, huh? Yeah? Want Daddy to get you out? Okay. Daddy's gonna come on the other side.
Yeah.
And you needed scissors?
I my dad, my day.
Watch your head.
There's some chemistry behind it. So, who knows later? Okay, you don't see
On the second weekend.
What?
So take 4, because it's the second weekend in a row. We come here.
This is the second weekend.
So that's 4 days now we've been here.
Yes! Yes, it is.
So take 4, get it?
Oh, yeah. So, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. We're back here at the Napa River just because of what happened last weekend.
Biggest fish I've caught on this. Oh, no, no, no.
There he goes, there he goes.
He felt me pull, and he pulled back. Oh! No!
Determination.
It was definitely a
Terminated.
speechless moment. We actually found the sturgeons, and I didn't get to bring any of them in besides one. So hopefully we can get on one of those big ones and bring them in. I did upgrade my tackle. I got a 60-pound braided line now.
Oh yeah, baby.
So hopefully that holds up against them. But yeah,
They're out here.
they're out here. Let's see if we can hook up again. If not, I don't know what we're gonna do, babe. I don't know. What do you think we're gonna do, Ada? What do you think we're gonna do?
You might have to sell all your gear.
Yes, I'm gonna get rid of all my gear. I'm gonna give it to all my subscribers. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys down there. Up, got the herring on there, got the weight, got the leader, got everything. We couldn't exactly go to the same exact spot that we were because we got here later in the day and somebody was there, and we went to the farther left this time. So let's check it out. I feel that crazy deep. But I felt like I almost cut my hand there. And to be careful with those chairs. Those are not ours, and they were here when we got here, so there might be some rusty spots on there. And you might have, you don't know if you have your tetanus shot.
Yes, she does.
All right, waiting game starts again. Can you take the bell off, please?
Smoke a cigarette, catch a fish for real.
Sturgeon.
I need my boot. Damn, my boot's in the
Mm-mm.
Damn.
You're not going that way, buddy. Come over here. No. No. Did he come off? No, he's still on it. Here we go again.
Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh.
Here he goes. Here he goes again. He's going to the left. Oh man, 30 minutes of being here. Hey, can you grab the camera for a little bit, please? Come on, we gotta land one of these. We gotta land one of these. It's my third one. Both weekends. Hope I can bring one in. It doesn't feel like a monster.
But bigger than your baby.
Yeah. Bigger than that one for sure.
Oh yeah, work it. Work him.
I want to get past that line.
Mm-hmm.
No. Oh, he's going to the right.
Oh, look at him! Look at! I see the line. That's so cool.
He's going to the right. Oh, come back this way. Don't go that way.
You know I gotta show off that reel.
My arm hurts.
Sloppy Joe texting me.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
I've seen
I don't like
that. Don't force it.
Leg is shaking once again, everybody. We're in a 4-minute fight so far.
Four minutes.
I can say this area is golden right now. Don't do that.
He seems close.
Oh, now he's going to the left.
Oh.
On the herring. The harbor herring, baby. Come on, Lai. Want to fight for a little bit? You need a banana, baby? It's so weird because I don't know if there's like something right there, but it feels like it's rubbing against it.
Uh-oh.
And I don't like that. Going to the left now. Come on.
Oh.
I don't like that at all. Come on, get above
He's
it.
so close. Eat your banana and get you a treat.
There he is.
There he is. Woohoo!
don't think it's a monster, but it's.
Banana?
I
You
don't
help
think
eat
it's a monster,
banana?
but it's
Yeah.
a decent sized one. Oh, it's a good one. It's a
I
good one.
fish it.
Ada, stay close.
Look at his tail.
Here he comes.
Careful, baby. Stay still,
Oh no, my Maggie.
It's okay, baby.
Maggie.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay,
please. At
baby.
least a 5 footer.
Maggie.
Hold on. Come here.
Maggie.
Thank you, Lai.
Come on, baby girl.
Woo!
Come here. She's tired. She is tired.
Yeah.
She's on land. She's on land.
Woohoo!
I can't pull him in at all. I don't want to snap right there either.
Yeah.
That might be a keeper size, I'm not gonna lie. But
You sweating?
I'm not gonna take it.
Oh, Jason,
sweating, too.
we're gonna have to go get his boots so they can go down there and time to get
Time to get
naked.
I want to hold this thing. I want to hold this thing. Alright. Oh, shit.
Oh, 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 oh.
Come on, Mama. I can't pull it. Okay, are you gonna go down there? Or you want me to go down there? This might be easier right here. Or yeah, you got it. You're good. Oh man. Careful, Jason.
Go slow.
If you want, you can pull on the line too.
Go down there, honey.
I want to. I might die with these boots. Uh-oh. Too crazy? Oh man.
Oh.
Jason!
Oh.
You alright? Yeah. Oh man, that's not a good
You're
start.
right.
That's not a good start. I should have put on the boots.
Go get the pole holder to help him stand.
Buddy. And there she is. There she is. I want to try to get him over there.
Yeah. Let's do
Just
it.
want a hand?
No. It's time.
Someone mind holding this side or? $60, $64. $64. Over.
Wow.
Hold him up.
Huh?
Hold him
Woohoo!
That's a big boy. Let's go get some pictures. Thank you.
Ooh. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go a little slow. I'm in Crocs. Okay. Woo!
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
And there you guys have it.
Yeah.
That was my legit size sturgeon I caught. And now we're gonna get her on her way. All right, big girl. Thank you. Thank you. All right, come on. Can you swing her back and forth?
Yeah.
So we literally had to walk the fish all the way down over here because it's not as muddy, it's more rocky, as you guys can see. And that time span of it coming over here is, here she goes, she's kicking a little bit.
Yay.
She's kind of struggling to get back out there. But
She's good.
she looks like she's good.
She's good.
Here she goes. Thank you for the fight, baby.
She's tired too.
All right, guys, I probably wouldn't have got that fish in if it wasn't for that guy right there. Thank you, Jason. I appreciate it. He even ran to the car, got his boots, and ran back down and literally went into the water and brought that thing in here. That monster, 64 inches, my biggest sturgeon of my life. So I'm happy that I got to go back peacefully and happily and survive to get even bigger. So thank you, Sturgeon. Thank you, Jason.
Yeah.
Thank you, backup camera girl that's on the railroad tracks. Oh, that was exhilarating. What do you guys think? Tell me how that was for you guys in the comments. You guys can see that trail that we brought him through. Those are Jason's footprints that he struggled to do, but he got him in, and it is all appreciated. I kind of told him that I wanted to put the boots on and do it myself, but he had them on already. He wanted to do it, so yeah. I'm honestly speechless right now because I don't know where to begin. Like, do I even fish anymore for the day? We're all soaked to the bone too. We both got in the water. He fell in the water. It was just no words can describe what just happened. Woo! Mama, what'd you think? Did you see the big fishy? I saw Daddy pick it up, and you ran immediately.
Go straight.
Was the sturgeon stinky? It was nice. Thank you, baby. And you're eating nerds at 11 o'clock in the morning. Give me a kiss. Love you. And love you too.
Love you. Yay!
Thank you, Life, for the
We're so
more support.
happy.
Thank you, Jason. Never again. I don't even know where to.
We couldn't even do it without him.
Honestly, we couldn't. I'm glad he came. Okay, quick little update, everybody. The girls pretty much went to go get us some dry clothes or some new clothes for us to actually put on while we stay here, because we only literally been here for 30 minutes. They've been here for 15 minutes, and I hooked up and we both got wet. So the girls are getting us new clothing, some dry clothes. I'm actually sitting here without my socks. They're on there drying, and I'm actually gonna take a little break from being in the water. And Jason just threw his out, so hopefully he can get on one and we can repeat that same process. Maybe the tide will be a little bit higher this time, and we wouldn't have to drag him all the way over there. So let's get it going, baby.
Go, Jason. Go, Jason. Go, Jason.
Yeah. Yep, so we're officially back out. It took me a good like 45 minutes to readjust, and I retied on a new rig just for a little bit of safety so nothing else breaks off. And the girls are finally getting back. They looked a little exhausted, but yeah, now we're back to the waiting game. To the waiting game. So you guys sit tight and wait for those drags to peel off.
He's a Daiwa.
We got some Daiwa right here. Look at this, dude.
You see the tiger?
We got some Daiwa. Daiwa sweats. Looks like spandex.
And some socks.
You guys can catch me running for a sturgeon later in these spandex. It was 50 bucks?
Yeah.
For all of it?
No, like 2.
Did Jason get some shoes?
No,
No?
his tennis shoes.
Oh,
He
those
said
are, yeah.
His tennis shoes were okay, yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you guys. Appreciate it.
Woo.
No time to get naked.
Yeah.
Just had a little bite. Might have been a little striper picking at the ghost shrimp.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
I'll be a dinosaur.
He wants one
Trying to
too.
get one of them dinos, baby.
Dinosaur.
How long ago has it been now?
Since I got one,
Yeah.
probably like 1 or 2 years.
Oh, okay.
It's been a while.
You're itching.
Probably 2 years.
Did you ever really chase him after that?
No.
Yeah.
It was before COVID.
Yeah.
So it's been a while.
COVID was 2 years now, yeah. So.
I think you are getting red.
I'm getting what?
Red.
Am
I can see it in your face.
Uh-oh.
Are you?
Yeah. Am I tripping? Yeah, it looks like he is getting a little red.
Okay, huh?
Yeah.
You're not kidding.
Yeah, dude. Take it easy, man. I'm gonna take you to the hospital. Pump your stomach. Sir, what were you drinking? Trulies? Get out of here. Take it again. Take it again. Come on. Little baby striper is on my bait right now. And this is probably the second time he's came back for the bait. Oh, they did? So now we can walk our sturgeons that way. Okay guys, so it's probably been roughly around an hour and a half to 2 hours since we've been sitting here. We've been getting a couple of striper bites, but we really haven't got much since the tide has came up. That's my buddy over there. He's a little intoxicated, but yeah, probably gonna stay here for a couple more hours, and if we get anything, hopefully we can get it on film and show you guys. Yeah, it's a lot of striper bites so far.
Hard bites.
So maybe we can get one of those on film.
That'll be fun.
Yeah. All right, everybody. We are reeling everything in, and we're probably gonna call it a day. I gotta go get some new boots. So I got my work boots wet. You want to come back next weekend?
I do.
Yeah. We gotta get other fishermen on some sturgeons.
Oh, you guys are here.
We're here. I'm happy we got on one today.
We really thought because it was much colder today than it was yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
We were doubting it. But
Yeah. We had.
you never know.
Yeah. Alrighty, guys. So we're officially packed up. Took our lines out of the water because I apparently have to go back to Work World. It's Sunday, and they're gonna be closing a little bit earlier, so I'm gonna have to go get some new boots for work. So if you guys plan on going sturgeon fishing, I highly recommend this place. I came both weekends and hooked up, missed a bunch of opportunities. A bunch of sturgeons are around here. They're running, and I have had the opportunity to catch one and hold one, release it, take pictures, videotape it, everything. So yeah, that was the Napa River. If you guys did enjoy the video, please like it, subscribe for future adventures, because I'm not going nowhere, and I guarantee that this won't be my last time coming back here. So yeah, like always, keep it real and keep it real. Peace.